Good news, content creators, because YouTube just rolled out this particular feature and it is going to help you get your 1000 subscribers very, very fast. But if you do it the wrong way, your channel will be at risk of demonetization. And this is what a lot of creators do not know. People are just running along to just do this the wrong way. Please and please, you know that I am all about monetization best practices on this particular channel. The issue is not about getting your 1000 subscribers. It is about applying and actually getting accepted into the YouTube partner program. So if you do not do it the right way, YouTube will still not accept you, even if you have 100k subscribers. So pay attention to this so that you do not violate YouTube's policies on YouTube. Now, the first thing is to use this feature, you need to be eligible so that it would actually work for you, because you can go ahead to search for it and you will not find it. So I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it. And once you've tried it and you started getting your subscribers, come back to this video and share your testimony. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get into it. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to confirm that you are eligible for this. So you want to go over to your Chrome browser or any browser you use on your phone and then type studio.youtube.com. This is it right here, studio.youtube.com. So you can see this one that says use the YouTube Studio dashboard computer. Just tap on that. Okay, and once you tap on that, it's going to redirect you into your dashboard, your desktop version of your YouTube Studio. Remember, I'm still using my phone. If you're using your laptop, it is just straightforward. Now you want to check your eligibility. You just come down here to this very tiny settings icon. You want to go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, it's going to bring up this thing. You can see channel, upload defaults, and all of that. Come here to channel. Just tap on channel. Then you go here to where you can see feature eligibility. Check these three features to ensure that they are all turned on. They are all enabled. If they're not enabled, you might not be able to use this. So go ahead and enable them. Now, after you must have enabled them, you want to now go to your Play Store or your App Store, as the case may be. Then you type on YouTube and ensure that you have updated YouTube. Now, the next thing you want to do is to go over to YouTube, your normal YouTube application. Please follow through with me so I can explain to you how to use this in such a way that you will not get demonetized. Okay, go to your search bar and let it load up. Okay, once it loads up, now I want you to understand something. Not every content creator has enabled the particular feature we want to use on their videos. So you might not see that particular feature. It does not mean you're not eligible. So let's try this first one where we can see the prank.
It's a prank.
You're going to come down here to where you can see reshare. Now, whatever it is that I want to show you now, the first video, you might not see this particular feature. It does not mean that your channel is automatically not eligible. Now, first of all, the reason we typed on viral shorts is because these ones have a lot of views. You can see 149 million, 200 million, 256 million, 572 million, right? So let me tap on this first one. I'm pausing it so that I don't bring in the video sound into my own video. So you can see this icon here. All right, just tap on this particular icon. You can see we can only see use sound, template, collab, green screen, cut, nothing else. So this particular creator did not actually enable that feature that we want to use. So if you don't see it, it doesn't mean that your own channel is not eligible. So all you just need to do is to go back. So let's try this other one here where we have two men. Okay, so come down here. You can see it has 1 million likes. Okay, so just come here to where you can see the feature. Tap on the reshare feature. Now notice what we have here. Turn it into a movie trailer. Okay, so what you just want to do is to tap on that, turn it into a movie trailer. All right, and just allow it to load up. Then I'll tell you what you want to do. Just pause it. Okay, now it has loaded this thing. You can see here where it says add me. That one is even another particular feature, but this particular one you can see add me as a shocked bystander reacting, transform into an epic medieval quest, turn into a chaotic high stakes game, blah blah blah. So let me pick this, transform into an epic medieval quest. Now if you feel like even adding any other image, tap on add image. Do you understand? To just redirect you to your phone gallery. But let me tap on this, transform into an epic medieval quest. So you can see it says transform the scene into a medieval fantasy. The cow dung becomes a magical glowing artifact. Golden sparks fly everywhere. You don't have to use this. You can use something else. Okay, you can decide to change it, that transform it into a dragon, blah 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 blah. You know, just put whatever you want, then you send it. Just give it time. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes to load up. Okay, so just be patient, and please do not go ahead to just upload it like that to your channel, so that you do not stand the risk of getting demonetized on your channel. Please and please, I will show you the right thing to do. Now, note that when you are generating this thing, the first thing you want to do before you even start generating is to on your phone screen recorder. Put on your phone screen recorder. There are different screen recorders. If your iPhone automatically has a screen recorder, all you need to do is to go ahead and activate it. If you are using an Android phone, just go ahead to your Play Store and download a screen recorder and use it. You can use it for free. I'm currently using one for free on my Android phone. So when you are done recording this one, you know what you want to do now. So you're not going to, because you've screen recorded it, just end the screen recording. Do you understand? Once you end the screen recording, you want to now go back. You can see discard edit. Tap on discard edit. Now the next thing would be for you to go into CapCut. Let me now show you how to do this. You don't even need to show your face, and at the same time I'll show you how to make it originally yours and monetization safe. Just tap on the new video and bring in the two screen recording. Alright, the two screen recordings. So this is the first one, so this is the original one, right? And this right here is the one I generated with the AI. So I'm just going to tap on this first one. Tap on it and ensure there is this white border line around it. Then just use your two fingers to zoom in to the extent that you won't see any other YouTube feature there. Then go to the second one also. Zoom in, just do the same thing. So this is it right here. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, narrate what this original clip is about. So this is mine here. I said, hi ChatGPT. So I used a particular viral shot and I created an AI version. You can just pause and read it. So ChatGPT gave me one, and I told it, no, I want my commentary to start in a very dramatic and catchy way so that people can be hooked. So you can see here it has given me this. So all you just need to do is to copy what it has already given you, and then I'm going to show you how to do it easily on CapCut. I'm just going to come here. Now that I'm back to CapCut, I'll come here and tap on audio right here. Then I'll tap on record. Okay, then you can see this teleprompter here. Just tap on teleprompter. It's going to bring up this script. Just tap on it as though you want to paste a script. Tap on the pencil icon there. Then it's going to open the script board. So you just paste what you already copied into that place. So let me just paste mine there. So you can see I've pasted it. Then you tap on done. So this is going to last 26 seconds. So all you just need to do is to now tap on record and just start to say this. And once you are done recording it, okay, I can't use two microphones. I would have recorded it right now. Once you are done recording it, just go back and tap on text, and then you tap on auto caption. So once you tap on auto caption, come here, unmute the original sounds. Do you understand? Unmute the original sounds. You can decide to add your own sound. All right, you can decide to add your own sound, or you just reduce the volume on that original sound. Then you come to auto caption and just play your auto caption, and just generate your auto caption. Do you understand? Now with this, you can export it and you will have no issue with YouTube, unlike when you just go there to upload like that. Now for you to be able to get a lot of views, you have to upload multiple ones per day, like 6-7 shots per day. Do you understand? So you can quickly get your 3 million or 10 million views in 90 days and get your channel monetized. Now if you know that your niche is not anything related to this, open up a new channel and use a new channel. Don't use your existing channel. Use a new channel and then let it be solely focused on this particular one. Once you have tried this and it works for you, come back here to share your review.
The next cohort for our monetization safe AI video making class begins 31st August. If you're interested in creating AI videos that you would be sure will get monetized, you want to run along into the pinned comment and get registered. The early bird fee ends tomorrow, August 5. So hurry up and grab it. And I'll see you either in class or in my next video. Bye.